Hi everyone, welcome to Math. Today we are going to study chapter 4 quadratic equations, exercise 4.3, question 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now on is 1 upon 3. Find his present age. So whenever this age problem comes, it's very easy. Find his present age. So we have to find the present age. So we start from there only. Okay. Let Rahman's present age is x years. Okay, we'll keep it as x because this is what we have to find out, x value. So now 3 years ago, so 3 years ago is age. So 3 years ago means past it is, so that means from the present minus 3. This will be his 3 years ago, his age. Then 5 years from now. 5 years from now. So 5 years from now means this is x was the present age. 5 years from now once means we have to add only. Okay. So now what it is, a sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages, sum of it. Okay, now on is 1 upon 3. So sum of it. So let's write down the sum of the reciprocal. Okay, so sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years ago. So that means 3 years ago and 5 years ago. Sum means total of the reciprocal. So x sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years and 5 years. Okay, so reciprocal means 1 upon. Okay, then 1 upon 3 years ka, that is x minus 3. So sum of it, so plus, then reciprocal of 5 years from now, that is x plus 5. Okay, so sum of the reciprocals. Reciprocal means 1 upon, you have to write. So sum means total. So sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Okay. So this is the according to the questions. Okay, according to question we have made it. Now this is not in the proper quadratic equation. So let's convert them into a proper quadratic equation. Okay, so taking LCM. So when we take LCM, this you write down as it is. Okay, so LCM, how do we do? With this multiply both sides. Okay, so x plus 5 and down also x plus 5. So same way this we will multiply with this. So x minus 3, here also x minus 3. Okay, so now when you solve it, you will get x plus 5. Here you will get x minus 3 and x plus 5. Plus here you will get x minus 3. And this is same way you write down here, x minus 3 and x plus 5. Okay. So now denominator is same. So you can write down one time denominator. That is x minus 3 and x plus 5. And then top write down as it is. This is plus. So plus x then minus 3 equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, so now you have here, it will become 1x, here 1x will give us 2x plus 5 and minus 3 we have. So that will give us plus 2. Biggest number is 5 and smallest is minus. So when subtract we get this. Then this we can solve it by multiplying. This you can multiply with x. The whole thing you can multiply, x plus 5. And with minus 3, whole thing you can multiply. Okay, with this whole thing we multiply and with this whole thing we will multiply. So we get x square plus 5x. This is minus 3x minus into plus will become minus 15. Okay, so this you can write down here. So we get x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 to 1 upon 3. Now, can we still simplify? This is 2x plus 2, x square plus 5x minus 3x will give us plus 2x, then minus 15. Now let's cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we will get x square plus 2x minus 15 into 1 will be same. Then this with 3, this we multiply 3. Here if we multiply, we will get 3 2s are 6. So 6x, then plus 3 2s are 6. Okay, let's bring this all one side. So x square plus 2x, this x also will bring here, so minus 6x, then you have minus 15 plus, sorry, this plus 6 when it comes becomes minus 6 equal to 0. So let's simplify further. X square plus, this is 2x, here 6x, which is the biggest one, 6x biggest, so it will become minus sign will come. So 6 you subtract 2 will get 4x. Both are minus, so minus. Add them, 21 you will get to 0. So now you look at this. Do we have a proper quadratic equation? So now you got a proper quadratic equation. Okay, now this you can use any method. Now you can use and find the x value. You can use splitting the middle term, or you can use the quadratic formula, or completing the square method. Whichever method you want to use, you can use it. I am using the splitting the middle term because these are small numbers, so I am going for splitting the middle term. So splitting the middle term, how do we do? First term and the last term we multiply 1 into 21. So 21 we get. What are the factors of 21? 3 sevens gives us 21. Then what else you get? 21. Okay, now if we add or subtract, we should get the middle term. So from 7, if you subtract 3, we will get the middle term. So this is the perfect pair we have. So let's take that here. So x square minus, this x will keep as it is. Instead of 4, we'll write 7 minus 3. No, your 7, yeah, from 7 you subtract 3, you will get 4. Okay, this minus 21 equal to 0. So now solve this equation. You will get minus 7x minus into minus plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. So now further from here we have to remove common. From here common we have to remove. So from here x square can be written x into x. Then minus this can be written 7 into x. So x is common. So let us write down x here. Inside what is left? X minus 7 is left. So for this also, first you write down bracket 1. Then which number we will write so that we get here? So we can write 3 into x, 3x plus is there, so plus. Then 3 7s are 21. So we are on a right track. So what is in common both the bracket? That will write down first. And what is left here? X plus 3 is left equal to 0. Okay. So now when x minus 7 equal to 0, and then when x plus 3 equal to 0. So then x equal to minus 7 will become plus 7. This is one answer. Then x equal to plus 3 will become minus 3. Now age can be negative. So no, age cannot be negative. So you can write down, since age cannot be negative, therefore Rahman's present age is 7 years. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.